Hey, what's up, guys? Chris Coombs here, running my video for the Tatis Jr. Holiday rookie lot. Let's go up here and grab our list. So we got Cowser for one, Dave for one, Melvin for one, Cowser for another, Miller for one, Melvin for one, Dave for another, Miller for another, Cowser for one, and Cowser for the last one. Good luck, everybody. Thank you for the fill. Might have one more lot going up tonight. Trying to think. I think it's update rookies from 2019 of Tatis. So, all right. Let's see. Live. Our live time is 8:13. Current time is 8:13. We are going to go to run a giveaway. I have no idea why this is populating at this point. Whatever. Paste our list in here. And rolling Tatis Holiday lot. Alright. We're going to roll the dice. Snake eyes. So this is the only thing we don't run on, so 3 or better. Let's say 14. Dice roll is Snake eyes. There we go again. Another dice roll at 814. And we're going 6 times, guys. 6 times. Good luck, everybody. And first time at 814, we've got Dave. Second time, Cowser. Third time, Miller. Fourth time, Cowser. Fifth time, Cowser. Sixth and final at 814. Winner is Cowser. Takes it with spot number 9. Congratulations, Scott. You are the winner, sir. Verification code's right here. We're going to come back. We are going to go done. Done time is 8:14. Current time 8:14. Thank you guys. Have a great rest of your Monday night.